Hi, kindergartners. So I wanted to show you how to play the foxes and dens game. So you're gonna click on the link from the Google Slides. Then once you open it up, you will decide if you want to play it by yourself or with someone from home. So let me show you how it works. So what you'll do is you'll look at this number here, the number DOS. You'll toss that one first. And then that will give you a starting point. And then you count on the dotted dice to know if you can go or not. So what you'll do is you'll move on. So you move red and blue over onto the first start den. And then I'm gonna go first and I toss it. And I get a 3, and then I toss the other dice. So I have 3. Then I'm gonna add on 3 more. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if there's a 6 on the second den, and there is, I can move it. And I cover up the 6. That's where I moved to. Okay, now it's your turn. You try it. I'm going to toss the 3. Okay, so your first one is a 1, and then I toss this. Okay, and now you tell me what number I should be looking for, or what number you should be looking for on the second den, and then if you can move there or not. So I'll let you think about it. What number should you be looking for on the second den? Okay, so the number you should be looking for is you start at 1 and then you're going to count on 3 more dots. So that'll look like 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you would look at the second den and you'd be like, okay, I'm looking for the number 4. And then you'd look, there's an 8 and a 6, a 1 and a 7. Oh, there's a 4. And you would grab your piece. And now you moved here. All right, now I'm going to go again. Ready? Watch how I figure out if I can move my next piece to the next den. Okay, so I start at 4, and I'm going to add on, toss this one, 5. So I do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And is there a 9? I'm going to ask myself at the third den where I need to go to. There is a 9, so now I can move my marker there. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to toss a 1 and a 5. Okay, so what number should you be looking for at the third den to see if you can move there? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You're going to count up all those dots. Okay, so you should have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you rolled a number 6. Now you're going to come and look at your piece and look over here at the third den. Do you see a 6 there? No, there's no 6 there. So it's my turn again. Now I'm going to toss my number die, and it's a 0, and I'm going to toss my other die, and it's a 2. So if there's a 2, so that's 0, 1, 2. So if there's a 2 right here at the fourth den, I can move my piece there. And there's a 2 right there. Okay, now it's your turn again. See what happens. All right, you rolled a 3, and you're going to count on 4 more. So go ahead and try it. So what number did you roll? A 7. Yep, that's right. So you went 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the 4 more dots. And then you can look over at the third den that you need to go to. And does it have a 7? Sure enough, it does. So that moves you forward one more spot, one more den. And we're trying to get to the 5th den. First one to the 5th den wins. So I'm only one more den ahead of you. So let's see what happens if I can get to the 5th den. I rolled a 2, and then I rolled a 4. So 2, start at 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there a 6 at the 5th den for me? There's not a 6. So I've got to wait, and it's your turn now. So you toss a number. And you tossed number 4. And you toss a dice. And there it looks like there's 6 dots right here. So I'm going to count from 4 and add up these 6 more, like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to ask yourself, is there a 10 on this 4th den? Nope, there's not a 10 there. So it'll be my turn again. I'm going to toss it. And that's a 2. And I toss this one. And it's a 5. So I go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And sure enough, there is a 7. And I just won the game. All right. So try this at home with a friend, or you can play it by yourself and have a great time with foxes and dens.